coming to join us. Hey, Fidel. Hi, Trevor. How you doing, buddy? You alright? Yes, I know. I've got a biscuit for you. You sit nice. You sit nice. Good boy. Good boy. Now, this is not an invitation to run off, so just wait. Okay, now you can go. How are we all doing, gang? How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for joining us on our daily dog walk for active dogs. This is taking place on Tuesday the 22nd of March, and it's the afternoon walk, which means I'm out with the big gang. We have full pack. They're all pretty excited. I'll show you them all in all their splendour in a few moments. We've also met our friend Fidel, who is an honorary pack member. Big old dog, great dog. And yeah, we'll show you the rest of the fun on this glorious day. Stay with us. We're a bit spread out, aren't we? Get a drink. I've been doing this job a lot longer than I've been doing my YouTube stuff. And one thing that's really obvious is the energy one dog brings to the pack can sometimes change the whole dynamic. And so we've got Bramble in the lead here at the moment, and Bracken and Maloney are nice and close to us. But when she's off the lead, she's a lot more excitable and independent, and she's quite happy to take those boys away from us. So just changing that dynamic slightly has changed how the whole pack are. We feeling the heat now, guys? I am. I certainly am. Who's got the ball? Who's got it? The dogs have properly fallen in line with each other. Just so succinct. Very easygoing. Incredibly biddable. It's great. Loving it. Loving it. You might be thinking it's a little bit cruel to have Bramble on the lead, but if I just quickly spin around, I mean, the dogs are basically walking at my pace, so she's not being disadvantaged there. She's maybe not getting the chance to follow her nose, but what we have done is we've given her a little special job, and we've asked her to carry the ball, which has kept her nice and happy. And yeah, and that just means that she feels like she's got something to do. She's been in, don't worry, she's also been in. Here he is, he's here. Ready to go? Come on then. Let's get up this dreaded hill. You're not getting to play, you'll take them away. Good. Well, guys, that basically wraps us up. I am getting wrapped up by the dogs as we speak. Thank you very much for staying with us. Your attention has been invaluable. Hopefully it's been fun for you to watch. Remember to give the video a little like, drop us a comment, let us know where you're watching from, and we'll see you on our next walk, especially if you subscribe. Take care, bye bye.